Hello, welcome to Healthy Eyes Hub. Enjoy this session. Like, share, subscribe if you haven't already. Press the notification to receive more updates. What if I told you that your next meal could literally save your eyesight? While millions of people are losing their vision every year to preventable conditions, there are 5 incredible foods sitting in grocery stores right now that could transform your eye health forever. I'm about to reveal the exact nutrients your eyes are desperately craving and how to get them into your diet starting today. Your eyes are under attack every single day. Blue light from screens, UV radiation from the sun, and the natural aging process are all working together to damage the delicate structures that give you vision. But here's what most people don't realize. Your eyes have an incredible ability to repair and protect themselves when you feed them the right nutrients. The difference between crystal clear vision at 80 and struggling to read a book at 50 often comes down to what you put on your plate. Let me start with the most powerful vision protector you've probably never heard of. Lutein and zeaxanthin are 2 carotenoids that act like natural sunglasses for your eyes, filtering out harmful blue light before it can damage your retina. These compounds literally accumulate in your macula, the part of your eye responsible for sharp, detailed vision. Without enough of these nutrients, your risk of macular degeneration skyrockets. The absolute best source of lutein and zeaxanthin: dark leafy greens, especially spinach and kale. Just 1 cup of cooked spinach delivers over 12 milligrams of lutein, which is more than most people get in an entire week. But here's the game changer. Your body absorbs these nutrients much better when you eat them with healthy fats. Try sautéing your spinach in olive oil, or adding avocado to your kale salad. Now let's talk about the nutrient that can literally help you see in the dark. Vitamin A is essential for producing rhodopsin, a protein that allows your eyes to adjust to low light conditions. Without enough vitamin A, you'll struggle with night blindness and dry eyes. The richest food source? Sweet potatoes. 1 medium sweet potato contains over 400% of your daily vitamin A needs in the form of beta-carotene, which your body converts to vitamin A as needed. But here's what makes sweet potatoes even more special. They're also loaded with vitamin C and vitamin E, creating a powerful antioxidant combination that protects your eyes from free radical damage. The orange flesh indicates high levels of carotenoids, and unlike supplements, food sources of these nutrients come with fiber and other beneficial compounds that work synergistically. The third superfood might surprise you. Fatty fish like salmon, sardines, and mackerel. Your retina contains the highest concentration of omega-3 fatty acids in your entire body. These essential fats are crucial for maintaining the structural integrity of your eye cells and reducing inflammation that can lead to dry eye syndrome and age-related macular degeneration. DHA, one of the key omega-3 fatty acids found in fish, actually makes up about 60% of the fatty acids in your retina. People who eat fish regularly have significantly lower rates of both dry eyes and macular degeneration. The American Heart Association recommends eating fatty fish at least twice per week, but when it comes to eye health, this might be one of the most important pieces of nutritional advice you'll ever receive. Here's where things get really interesting. Eggs, particularly the yolks, are like a complete eye health package. They contain lutein and zeaxanthin, but in a form that's more bioavailable than what you get from vegetables. The fats in egg yolks help your body absorb these carotenoids more efficiently. Plus, eggs provide zinc, which is essential for transporting vitamin A from your liver to your retina. The selenium in eggs also supports the production of glutathione peroxidase, one of your body's most powerful antioxidant enzymes. This enzyme specifically protects your lens from oxidative damage that can lead to cataracts. When you eat eggs regularly, you're essentially giving your eyes their own personal bodyguard against age-related damage. Finally, we have citrus fruits and berries, your eyes' best defense against vascular problems. The vitamin C in oranges, grapefruits, and berries strengthens the blood vessels in your eyes, reducing the risk of diabetic retinopathy and other vascular eye diseases. Vitamin C also supports collagen production, which is essential for maintaining the structure of your cornea and sclera. But berries offer something extra special: anthocyanins. These powerful compounds improve blood flow to your retina and may even help regenerate rhodopsin, improving your night vision and reducing eye fatigue. Blueberries, blackberries, and bilberries are particularly rich in these protective compounds. The anthocyanins in berries also have anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce the risk of glaucoma by improving fluid drainage from your eyes. Some studies suggest that people who eat berries regularly have better overall visual acuity and less age-related decline in their vision. Now here's the crucial part. Timing and preparation matter. Your body can only absorb fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K when you eat them with healthy fats. Always pair your leafy greens with olive oil, nuts, or avocado. Cook your sweet potatoes with a little coconut oil or butter to maximize nutrient absorption. For the biggest impact, aim to eat something from each category every day. Start your morning with berries in your yogurt, have a spinach salad with olive oil dressing for lunch, snack on a hard-boiled egg, enjoy some baked sweet potato with dinner, and include fatty fish in your weekly meal rotation. Your eyes are irreplaceable, but they're also incredibly resilient when you give them what they need. These 5 foods aren't just about preventing problems, they're about optimizing your vision for life. Start incorporating them into your diet today, and your future self will thank you for every meal. What's the first food you're going to add to your next grocery list? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more science-backed nutrition tips that can transform your eye health.